Okay.
All right.
No. Go ahead, Riley. Go ahead.
What's this?
Let Daddy fix this. You go ahead and tell me the books.
Hey, what's this?
Tell me the books. What is that? What is that?
Who is it?
What is that? You start all over. Go the other way.
Here, we'll do the other one. Here, what's this? Show Daddy.
What is that?
Kids muscle.
Good girl. That's a good job.
What's this one?
Dumbo? Yeah.
What's this one?
Someone.
Snow White? That's a good girl.
What's this one?
Bill Rabbit.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, shit. Here, what's that one?
Kids muscle.
Cookie Monster? Mhm.
What's this one?
Nutcracker.
Nutcracker? Yeah.
What's this one?
Manga Daddy.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Mermaid.
Yeah, Little Mermaid.
What's this one?
Fashion Summer.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Fashion Summer.
No, what's that?
Look at it again. Look at it. What is it?
Look at the book.
Fashion Summer.
No.
It's not, baby.
Look.
Look at the book.
What is that?
What is that?
Mama Goose.
Mama Goose?
Goose.
Yeah.
Okay, what's this one?
Look at the book.
Mama Goose.
No, what is
No,
it,
look at
Riley?
it. Yeah, look at
What
it.
is that?
Mama Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh? Girl.
What's this one? Do this one.
You gotta get them organized for her.
Mama Goose.
Mama Goose.
Let me see. Yeah.
Okay, what's this one? She just lined this one.
Hold on,
Hold
she
on,
gotta
she's
get
getting
organized.
outfit.
And she'll do it for us. Watch her.
All right. What's this one?
Bubbles.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Baby Jesus.
She don't know this one this good. Let's see if she can.
Baby.
Girl.
I told you.
How
Okay,
old,
look, she's gonna do it again. Who's that? Okay, hold on.
how old are you? How old are you?
Say two.
How old are you? 2? Yeah, that's a good girl.
Here, huh?
Okay, show them to us again. Lily,
Lily, let her go. Let her go.
Let her do it.
That's on
You gotta show them to us.
Let me see. What is that? I can't see it. Let me see it. What is that?
the bunnies.
All right, what's
The
this?
bunny. What's it called?
Sit down.
Put it down. Wait a minute, let her get organized.
Sit down.
She's gonna start over.
Are you gonna start over?
Sit down.
Yeah, you smart, girl.
I told you, Daddy,
What? What'd you tell me?
that she's smart.
It's not coffee. That's
All right, come on, Lily. Let her go.
Let her do it all on her
All
own.
right, you do it.
All right, here we go. Do that. Do it one more time.
She wants to do it.
I'll give you the magazine in a minute. Here.
Riley,
What
what's
is-
this?
Mama Goose.
Mama Goose.
That's done.
Okay. You don't know.
You do it, Riley. You do it. Do it all by yourself, like a
You
big
show
girl.
Dada.
Show me every book. What is that?
Mama Goose.
Yeah. What's the next one?
Mama Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh. Yeah. You're right. What's the next one?
Nutcracker.
Nutcracker. That is the Nutcracker. What is?
Donut.
Frosty.
Yeah. You're right.
You sweet baby.
Mama Goose.
Mama.
Yep. That's right. What else?
Kids muscle.
Yeah. What else?
Mermaid.
Mermaid. Yes, ma'am.
Manga Daddy. Fine. What's
Show us what you got, baby.
What is this? Hold on. What's this one?
Show it to us.
What's this one? Look at the book. What is it?
Dumbo?
Yeah. Dumbo.
What's that one?
Bill Rabbit.
Yeah. Peter Rabbit.
Who is it? What book is that?
What
Look
is
at the
that?
book.
Look at the book, baby.
What is
What?
Snow White. Yes, ma'am. What's that one?
Baby Baby Jesus.
Baby Jesus, yeah. What else?
Bubbles.
Bubbles, yeah. And what's that one?
I.
What's that one?
She said, all right.
What's
What
this
is that
one?
one?
Again.
Yeah, good job. Riley and Milan, good job, baby.
High five.
Hey, how old are you?
2.
2, yeah. All right.
Good job.
Riley, throw your hand, hey, throw your arms in the air and say, all done. Say, all done.
Say all done. Look at me. Say all done. All done. All done.
Let her do it. She wants to do it.
All done.
Say,
All
all,
done.
Lily, smile.
Okay.
Riley, hey, Riley, look at me.
It's official.
Riley, look at me for a second. I'm going to show you something. Hey, is Mama pretty?
Yes.
Are you pretty?
Yes. Am I pretty?
Is Sissy pretty?
Yes. Yes.
Is Bubba cute?
Yes.
Yes. Oh.
Am I cute? No.
Am I pretty?
Pretty.
Daddy's pretty.
Mama's such pretty.
Mama's pretty too.
Am I pretty?
Is Lily Bug pretty?
That's fine.
What?
Is Lily Bug pretty? Yes.
Yes. She's like, I'm done.
Here I go.
Say all done, baby.
I
All done. That's right.
Say bye-bye. Wave at the camera and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See, I told you you'd be amazed.
That is unbelievable.